how to add shadow effect to text in PicsArt app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shadow effect to text in the PicsArt app. It's super easy and makes your text look more professional and eye-catching. So let's get started. Open up the PicsArt app and then you need to choose a photo or video where you want to add the text. So just tap on it and then now on the bottom in the toolbar you'll see text option. Tap on it and then write any text that you want to. And then hit the tick option. Now you can see font, styles, colors in the bottom. So you can choose the font, the style of your choice, and then swipe to the left. And then you will see the opacity option. This controls how dark or light your shadow is. So tap on it and then you'll see a slider. So you can see that you can make the text a bit transparent if you decrease the slider, like if you drag it to the left hand side. So choose the one of your choice. You can even tap on blend if you want to, and then it will kind of blend with the picture. And then there is also blur option if you want to blur it. And then there is the shadow option. As you can see, tap on it. So this is how you can blur the text as well. And you can even change the position. As you can see, horizontal, vertical, and then change the color as well. Just there you can see the shadow effect has changed a bit. There you go. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.